Hi, thanks for watching. This is an excerpt from a full-length planner painting video that's available exclusively to my Patreon supporters. If you'd like to become a Patreon supporter and watch my planner videos in their entirety, consider becoming a member by clicking on the link below. For $5 a month, you can watch all my upcoming planner videos in their entirety. With this painting, I really wanted to capture the effect of that late afternoon, early evening light that's really glaring through the trees and those leaves. It was mostly backlit, but it created this very illuminating effect that can be challenging to capture, and you don't have much time to capture it either. So I had to work really fast with this. You can see I'm blocking in the foreground greens, trying to keep those greens very natural, getting in some of the blues back here to help give more dimension to that background. I really like those hazy hills back there, but it needed some darker blues to help make sense of the scene. Switching to a palette knife now. The palette knife is a wonderful tool for foliage. I like it because it helps keep you random, and I can really work fairly fast with a palette knife when I'm dealing with rapidly changing light scenes. One of the biggest challenges with this painting was showing the leaves correctly and the value of the leaves. If the leaves are viewed with a darker background, such as viewing them with the hills behind them, they're going to look lighter in value. They're going to look fairly intense actually, but when you get up into the sky, those leaves are going to appear darker in value. You actually have to change the color you're using to be able to show that accurately. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to this channel if you have not, consider becoming a Patreon member. You can see this completed painting and see this video in its entirety. Thank you very much for watching.